Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. All right, you want to raise peas from seeds? Well, it's pretty easy to do. Like most of the other legumes, they'll probably germinate in about 10 days to 2 weeks. Make sure you've got them in a real bright, sunny spot like you would most others. I'd probably even plant them directly into the site, into the garden, or where you're wanting those peas to raise. Remember, peas don't like it really hot. They like it a little bit on the cooler side, so we're probably talking 50s, 60s, 70s, maybe even 80s, but they don't like much above that or they tend to die out. So that means in many parts of the country, either an early spring or an early fall, depending on where you're at. Read those packages of seeds, and of course you can also save some of the seeds as well. The pea seed is a relatively large seed, and there's different varieties, of course, and different color combinations. But peas in general are good organic soil. Improve the soil. If you're planting directly into the garden, add extra peat, add extra cow pow, and really make a $10 garden soil for your best results. For growing peas, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.